Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Poços. This is just kind of a back street, and we're pretty close to Kyungwoo Hospital. There it is behind me, Kyungwoo Hospital, the map. And you can see that from the video, you can see that we're a little bit downhill from it. And off these main streets is where traditionally smaller, cooler little alleys start to develop historically. And then this kind of cool stuff results, and this is what you're gonna see here, because we got kind of a cool thing back in the back streets. And I'm gonna start out on my tiny little street, but I'm gonna expand throughout this space and just kind of do some random streets in the area. But we're not too far from Kyungwoo, which is not too far from the historical Portuguese area as it spread north historically. Anyways, here we go, another little corner of Macau. This is a cool little spot, and I'm just going to capture it by focusing on some of the more interesting stuff in this space. And this has a different name, of course, but Poços would be, well, we're going to label it as SUMAD Convention Center. SUMAD? Okay, so we're going to focus on this little space called Travessa dos Poços. Yeah, right up there is kind of like this makeshift. Everything's kind of makeshift like that. So we're just gonna walk up to the base real quick, and this would be the base of Poços. Huh. What the base looks like. So you kind of have this interesting street that goes down, and then the Poços is just this little, and I guess this SUMAD goes through both sides. Okay, so let's go in to Poços. And we'll kind of check out and see what it's all about. Somebody has like kind of a nice yard right there. And they also have, actually the person that has this would also have, there's probably multiple people, but there's a rooftop up there too. So that's a whole other space that's equal with the space down here. Plus they got the space down here. This one has a small little balcony. And then this one is very makeshift. It's all like corrugated metal with a tree that goes right up next to it. So this Poços is actually quite small. A very small little lane. So we're gonna come in and check it all out. There's a camera, a couple cameras right there too. And a fire extinguisher. It's actually kind of a cool little building. Cool home. Actually, there's another rooftop up there too. I don't know what this says, but if you know what it says, it'd be interesting to know. There's like signs everywhere in here actually. So I don't know what these signs all mean. But if you know, let me know. But they're definitely trying to get some kind of message across. There's another one too. There's like cameras everywhere here too. Okay, so this is part of Poços. That is Poços. And I'm just going to move around it in a block and then come back. because you can feel that it's kind of a neighborhood that all goes together. There's a space in between because somebody owns the space in between and they put something around it, something to contain it. So this just opens up into a whole other stretch of, oh, we're still in Poços. So Travessa dos Poços. So I think we're still in the same. So that is all Poços. So we're still in our little lane. That goes to a different street. João has a different name altogether. Then we're gonna come back around this way. We get more of these kind of makeshift homes as well. And this actually has a different name. Rosera. There's a pizza place up there. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up to this pizza place and just kind of see what we got up here. So we're back up on this street again. Different street. And that street actually goes up. That goes up towards Kyungwoo Hospital because I've been in this area before. But we're going to go back down. And so yeah, this is actually a different street, but we're going to be back at Poços in a moment. But it's all the same community. It's like a little road all the way down there. It's kind of cool. Check out that place. It looks like, I think that was there's a door on the other side, so that looks like it's contained, but the way it's built looks like it's together a little bit. But this looks like it's abandoned. Yeah, it is, as you can see. And I just saw a cat in there too. Let me know what that says. So now we're coming back up to this corner again of Poços. So yeah, this is all called Travessa dos Poços. And I'm going to come out a little bit further down this way. It's kind of a cool colored building. We'll go all the way down. And now we're out at the base. So there's a temple to the right of this building right here. I'm going to come all the way over here. And right there is Kyungwoo Hospital. So this is just this little alley that's in here. So yeah, we're kind of in all these streets, but then we got these little alleys like that one. It goes up to Kyungwoo Hospital. Okay. So let's end it right there.